Today we'll observe two crashes of DJI Neo that I was able to record. The first one is crashing at tree branches and falling at least 30 feet below. It turns out if Neo hits any obstacles at certain speed, either it will crash completely or at lower speed it continues to fly and regains its flight, but both cases definitely recording auto stops. Depending on the crash velocity and the gyro angle, it determines if the craft can still recover itself and hover in the same place, crash completely, or the third situation is soft landing. The next crash occurs during a follow mode at a lower speed. It bounces after hitting, stops recording, gives out a warning beep and decides to auto land a feet away. But in any of those three situations, Neo stops recording immediately after it detects a crash beyond a certain threshold. This one is not a crash video, just I wanted to show how it hovers after losing the follow mode object. Same hovering would happen if it simply bounces off an object. Hope you guys got some useful information about Neo. Please subscribe to watch the beautiful nature clips in my next video.